What is up, crazy mob? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have another wig review. This is not sponsored in any way, so this will be 100% all my opinion on this wig. Before we get into the installation process, I already did the basics like washing it, bleaching, and tweezing the hairline. Per usual, you have your goodies, you have your caps, and it comes with lashes in the bag. And all I'm doing right now is just cutting the ear tabs off and giving you guys a feel of how the wig looks on me. And it looks real good. Y'all can't sit here and tell me this wig ain't giving skin. Like, look at that lace. I ain't even put no foundation on it or anything like that. And it's giving skin. Like, this wig was so tea. Now what I'm doing is I'm cutting the lace in fours. I cut it in fours because I feel like it's easier to work like this, especially so you can put section by section in the glue. And I believe the glue I was using in this video was Erica J or something like that. I don't know. I think it was Erica J, but I didn't really like the glue because it don't last long. So I ended up switching my glue. Now I'm going in with my razor and cutting the lace in a zigzag line. I never cut in a straight line because I feel like it makes my wigs look wiggy. So after I cut the lace off, I then go in with my holding spray and I spray it on my hairline. And before I put my band on, I gotta show y'all what the lace looks like because it looks too good. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the best wigs I done had from Amazon. I did kind of over pluck right there in the middle, but it'll be fixed, it's fine. But other than that, the lace is giving. Like, I really love this wig. Now I'm starting my edges. I'm very particular when it comes to doing my edges because I like them a certain way. So if they don't come out right, it takes me a minute. And that's what happened here. It took me a minute to do these edges because I wanted them a certain way. And y'all just watch. I can't really explain it, but I'm more of a shower, not a teller. Now we are moving into the styling process. I know I want to do something differently with my hair. Like, I was tired of the same old bust down side part. It was time to switch it up, but I didn't know what to switch it to. So I just ended up making something up. Like, I did the half up, half down with the claw clip in the back, and then I took out little hairs out in the front, ended up curling them, and then I ended up curling little pieces that was clipped up. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be linking all the details to this wig down below in my description. If you are new to my channel and this is your first time watching, join the crazy mob. You'll love it over here, I promise. I promise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with somebody who like styling wigs or just like wigs in general. I will see you guys in the next freaking video.